So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will be telling how you can join the Google internship. So it is software engineer winter internship of 2024-25, and at the end of this video we will be telling how you can get different internship and job at Google. So watch this video till end. Before starting, make sure subscribe our channel. Click on the subscribe button and click on the drop down arrow and select all, so that all the important notification will be reaching to you first on YouTube. So now moving towards our update. Now software engineering winter intern 2025. So we are making the video that will be helpful in the next year also. So that is a great part of our YouTube channel, and so if you doesn't subscribe our channel, so it is your mistake. So just subscribe our channel. Now talking about the minimum qualification. So currently enrolled in the associate, bachelor or master or post secondary. So irrespective of what is your like branch, or what is your degree, if you are bachelor, if you are master degree student, or even if you are a postgraduate, or even if you have some experience, then you can also apply for this. So the most priority eligibility is you should have some experience in the software development, either web development or app development, that doesn't matter, but you should have some experience. You should know one of the coding language, that is C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, or C, or any similar language. Or we are also thinking to make a detailed video on what on which on like which coding language is best for which professional. For example, web development. For the web development, the JavaScript is best. For the competitive programming, C++ is best. For the app development, Java is best. For the artificial and intelligent and machine learning, Python is best. So we will be making video on it, and that will be visible on YouTube. Now what are the preferred qualification? So if someone have its experience in the application development, or mobile application development, or machine learning, or natural language processing, network development, then it is preferred for this internship. Or you should be available for full time for the minimum 6 months outside of the university term. So this internship will be in office. You will be getting chance to go to the Google office at Bangalore, and like at Bangalore, and you can explore the Google office. So ability to communicate in English fluently is another preferred qualification, and you should have some experience in the data structure and algorithm. Now talking about the job, you can read out the about the job at your end. Now talking about the responsibility, create and support a productive and innovative team. So you have to cooperate with the with your whichever team development team you will be allotted. Develop script to automate routine tasks. So you will be monitoring the script to do different tasks. Analyze and information and evaluate results to choose the best solution for effective solve problem solving is the another important ability or skill that you should have for this. apply for knowledge gained in the computer science courses to the real world problem. So the theoretical knowledge you have, you will be applying in the real world problem solving. So that will be helping the company. So this is all about the software engineering winter intern 2025. If you have any sort of doubt, then you can just let us know in the comment box. If you click on the Google career page, then you will be navigated to this type of page where you can write let me search for software. Then you can select region according to you. For me, I am selecting India. Then click on the search button. So you should bookmark this website, or you should save this website, so that will be helping you. So these are the different jobs that are available currently, and routinely with the time we keep on updating you for these jobs like software engineer, firmware, silicon, staff software engineer, software engineering manager, front-end engineering manager, software engineer second, machine learning, payment, front end. So in the software engineering, there are different domains like front end, machine learning, Google Cloud, Google Assistant. So these are the jobs that are open to you. I will be posting the important link in the description box. Just go through that link and apply for these different jobs and get your secured job from the Google. Now moving back towards our YouTube channel. So we have recently completed 100 subscriber family, and I wanted to get 1000 subscriber in 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. Like this video and share this video to your friend circle whosoever is wanted to join the FANG companies. And even if you go to the playlist section, so there are different important playlists that you should save for your future, like Google Cloud Arcade program, Facilitator program, that we are covering the best certification and courses that will be helping you to for your upskilling, jobs and internships, scholarship and fellowship, and other playlists you can see. So these are the important playlists that you should bookmark for your future. If you have any doubt, just comment us and comment which video you require. Just comment that if you require this specific video, this specific topic, then we will be surely making video on it. So this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Have a good day.